Hi everyone, I wanted to share a quick screencast to show you some of the issues I'm running into and just wanted to help you maybe solve these issues when you're sharing some documents. So sometimes this screen's popping up for me and for the most part the work's been getting in and I've been able to see it, but sometimes I get this you need permission and I have to request it. And so I want to show you how you get out of that. So I'm going to go back over to a document. This is the newsletter I use for my students and my parents. When you go to share, one thing you got to keep in mind, especially if you have a K-12 Google account, is sometimes you need to go in here and go to the more, and K-12 by default only shares it to other people on K-12. And on my USF one, I don't go through, I use my Gmail, not my K-12 when I'm accessing it. So that could be part of the problem. But just make sure you click on public on the web, or at least on anyone with the link. I'm going to keep it public on the web because I share it with lots of people. I'm going to do save. And all I want them to do is be able to view it. I don't need to change it to anything else. I'm going to copy the link. I could also just enter anybody's specific name in here if I wanted, to email it to anybody specifically. Okay, but I don't need to do that. I just want to make sure I have the link, and then I would be able to go over to wherever I wanted to, share that link and paste it. And when I hit enter, that person clicking that link would be able to go right to that site. So again, when you do it, make sure you go to share, and especially if you're on a K-12, you can always go to more and make sure you have it public on the web, or at least anyone with the link, so whoever you've shared your link with can see it. And I've run into that just a little bit with this class, and I know with some people with their HyperDoc assignment, I might not have been able to get it. So make sure that if that's you update it, share the URL with me again, and I'll update your scores. All right, hope everything else is going good. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.